As an inlet sole cleaning equipment, the fully automatic sole cleaning machine aims to solve the problem of dirt brought into the room by the sole. Through the automatic induction start of the sole cleaning machine, the soaked crawler brush rotates and rubs the sole, so as to pull and up the sole dirt and dust, block the dirt at the entrance, and reduce the amount of indoor floor cleaning. The sole washer establishes a barrier to maintain the cleanliness of the indoor environment. The fully automatic sole cleaning machine of Horrol Technology adopts radar automatic induction startup mode and is equipped with an integrated control module, which can realize the automatic water change and cleaning function. The new generation of Horrol Technology sole cleaning machine is designed and simpler to maintain. It is equipped with a high-pressure DC water pump to drain sewage and adds multi-level filtration function. Horrol Technology's fully automatic sole cleaning machine is widely used in food, beverage, electronics, battery, new energy, medicine, chemical industry, nuclear industry, semiconductor and other fields.